Oh guys, back over the port, going a bit of a mess. We've got Aaron in the water with us today. He's going for a bit of a look. We've just had some engine problems that just died on us. I've got to go in again now with the pump and the fuel and stuff, so hopefully that's not a major. So there we go. So he's having a look in here for a Paua butters, and we're going to go and have a look another couple of little spots and see how we get on. But quite choppy out there, but we'll see how we go. Cool. Guys, there's plenty of butters here, so we might get a few more while they're here. Awesome, wicked.
You're standing your ground, ready to die on the hill that you built out of lies and deception, raising your weapon. Every word you speak dripping with venom. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm. I don't wanna fight, 'cause I don't like the
Oh, well, back on the boat, we've got a couple of butters there, so that was all good. I think Aaron had a good dive.
Absolutely.
Nice stingray come in, so hopefully I got that on footage. And I'll carry on to some mussel farms and see if we can find a king or something bigger and get some Pauas. Righto guys, had a bit of engine trouble, so we've made it across from the other side back into here, so we're getting some Paua in here. Aaron's going hard out, he'll get us 5 and I'll jump in and get me 5. And yeah, probably call that a day after that, but we'll go in here and see what happens. I'll go out there, nice little spot, might get a moki.
feels, those cutting words that never heal. Behind the barricade, you're tossing grenades while I'm trying to settle and disengage. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm.
Oh guys, we're all done there. Aaron's just mucking around over there, probably looking for a moki or something. But we've got our Paua and we've got a heap of butterfish, so we'll show you that catch when we get back to shore. So I'll go and pick up Aaron and we'll head round and back to shore and yeah, get on out of here.
Woohoo! That's a butter.
There you go. Woo! Nice one. That's, whoa! He pulls off the fish of the day. Oh guys, all done there. I think Aaron's had a pretty good day. I've had a good day. And got quite a few butters, paua, a kinner, an octopus.
Woo! What a day.
Pretty healthy looking chili bin. 50 centimetre butter, not a bad fish. Nice one. Right guys, going to call the video there. We're all done, but this was the catch for the day.
Yeah, boy.
Not too bad, see you on the next one.
Woohoo!